So these are the best codes that you can use right now for E.R.P.O, or the Roblox game originally expired by repo. So, the first thing you should do is just go to the game itself and then look at the description. If there's a code section, then you should definitely go there and claim that code. But if there isn't, we have another way, and actually a better way, of looking for codes. You can use this method in finding codes for other games as well if you would like to, because there are a lot of games on Roblox which use the code system. So I do recommend doing this. So as you can see, I searched for E.R.P.O Roblox, but we're gonna want to add codes at the end. So now it's searching for codes on Roblox on E.R.P.O. So just simply tap on any link because all of these links actually give us the same codes for the games. So just go on at least one of them and scroll down. As you can see, here you will see all of the E.R.P.O codes lists. And here are the working ones at the top and the expired ones are at the bottom. So as you can see, it says there are currently no working or expired E.R.P.O codes. That's because they don't really have the system or the code system implemented into their game yet. You're gonna have to wait for a new update for them to basically start putting out codes so that you can use them and progress in the game. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to search for codes, just simply go to your browser, search for the game name, and then type in codes at the end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.